Lastly, if you continue on doing that, they will block you. So please stop doing that. It's not good. Because I have been a digital marketer for so many years and I never, not once, do that nga maghimo ko shout out message nga ibutang nako tanan, because they will really restrict your access to their feed and everything and message, and they will also block you. Mao na gid na ang pinakalas nga i-block kanila because you are so annoying. So stop making shout out or kanang general bitaw kanang mamalit og mga what you call that, kana pong mamalit og mga numbers nga mahimo nag-spam messages and people are receiving that. Mao bitaw tong nagpa-register na ta pero naa man nagyapoy nihimo, no? So dili gid na maayo. Ako dili man gani ko ga email marketing, wala ko ga SMS marketing, wala ko ginana.